So if you want to get your brake to stop squeaking, what you have to do is take some either 100 to 200 grit emery cloth, and instead of just going around in a circle here, anything that's shiny, you kind of want to rough up the edges a little bit. Don't go easy on it. Just kind of don't do it in a circle. It'll make it worse. But just kind of make it so it's not shining. I always go just kind of this way and then just go perpendicular. It clears this up. What's causing the squeaking is the shininess, and the shininess causes a loss of friction. So you want to get it so it's back to this type of surface. This is how it comes. If it's shiny, you're going to have absolutely no friction. It's going to be really loud and obnoxious. If you can, just kind of try to remove that down. It's like just resurfacing the rotor. Doesn't squeak as much anymore. So pretty easy to do, but once you get that groove away, then it shouldn't squeak as loudly, if at all.